Rocket League memes, what the bloody hell are they? Let's find out. Rocket League is a video game where you play soccer, football, but you're a car. Now, there's a whole bunch of new memes spawning since they've changed the intro song. It's really got that pizzazz. So first, a bunch of memes came out. They were called the Rocket League intro music got me like. And then, you know, it just works with any kind of dancer, really. But it's taken an extra turn these last week or so, and some people have been making some really good ones. And I wanted to show you my top 3. In number 3, we have Rocket League IRL by Techland. Roll it. Okay, now for the number 2, we've got Rocket League menu screen be like by Neverthink memes. It's by the original content creator Jacob Hanses. Alright, and now for the number 1 meme, it's Rocket League IRL meme by Large Trap. This one is Mona Lisa. Okay, and now I'm going to put together my own one.
First, go to modelresource.com and search Rocket League and pray to God some legend has ripped it for you. Then, download it. Pick a video with a car from pop culture you want to edit into. I'm going to use this Breaking Bad one. Chuck it in After Effects and use the 3D tracker. Let that bad boy do the work. Export it into Cinema 4D. Whack the ball into Cinema 4D. Bend the ball like Beckham. Chuck it back into After Effects and mask out the RV so it goes in front. Don't do a good job. It's only a meme. Add some crappy spark and shockwave special effects. Download the Rocket League logo as a PNG file. Make sure it's transparent. Ain't nobody got time for that. Do a crappy animation of the logo scaling down. Add some shake effects, hit export, and Bob's your uncle.
Okay, so that's Rocket League memes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And yeah, check out the original creators of all those top 3 in the links below. And I will see you in the next one.